Well, just you can see this time, that was the private helicopter we've just now seen. Came over this time anyway. This is now the private helicopter we've now seen anyway. As you can see, this is now the Bell 505 Jet Ranger X that we've now seen come over this time anyway. This is now the Bell 505 Jet Ranger X that we've now saw came over this time anyway. This is now the Bell 505 Jet Ranger X that we've now literally now seen come over this time anyway. Which, as you can see, the registration is G-MLUG apparently, which I think that is the registration anyway. But it's still not the right one anyway. Still not the right one anyway. Obviously, because it's not GDUNO anymore. So yeah. But as you can see, just from here, that's just came for a low pass anyway. And then just from here, that's just the loop anyway. So yeah. As you can see, just from here, that literally came for a low pass at least around 700 feet anyway. So that came here to about 700 feet low anyway. So yeah, so that came just a low pass anyway, just about 700 feet low anyway. So that was the Bell 505 Jet Ranger X that we've now seen come over this time anyway. This is now another helicopter that we've now seen anyway. This is the private one anyway. And this is the helicopter that's based in Jigan anyway. This is the helicopter that's based in Jigan, that is anyway. Which is not far from which technically is not far from where St. Kevin is anyway. And this is the one that's based down in South Cornwall anyway. Down at Jigan anyway. So yeah, so this is the one that's based in Jigan, that is anyway. But anyway, that's how the logo is come from today. So as you can see today, that's just been down to visit somewhere near Westward Hull by the looks of it. Just at Northam anyway, which is basically it's been somewhere in Devon today apparently. So as you can see, he was somewhere near Byford anyway, just near Beaufort anyway. So yeah, he was somewhere just near Beaufort by the looks of it. So yeah, he was somewhere just over Northam today apparently, which technically is in Devon anyway. So yeah, technically he was basically in North Devon today apparently. He's been visiting just over in North Devon today. So yeah, so that's just came from North Devon anyway. And then what we saw came past, that came, well, what we saw then came, he literally then came back for another pass. He was literally about 800 feet anyway. So yeah, obviously the registration is G-MLUG anyway, which normally with this helicopter here, that normally goes to fly over at Falmouth Bay normally, but because most of the times that it just normally goes to fly over at Falmouth Bay normally, because normally it flies over in Falmouth normally. It normally flies over in Falmouth Bay normally, but obviously as you can see today, it's just changed the route anyway. So technically, because of from today, it just changed the route. Apparently, the route got changed anyway. So this is why it changed. It changed its route today. Apparently, that's is why, because it's changing the route slightly. So yeah, he took a different route today apparently, different route back to his base. There we go. Look, now he's back over at his base now at Jigan anyway. He's now back at Jigan now anyway. So yeah, he's now back at Jigan anyway. So yeah, he's now back at Jigan now anyway. So yeah, which is not far from. So yeah, it's now back over Jigan now anyway. Back to his spot over Jigan anyway. So yeah. So anyway, so that was the Bell 505 Jet Ranger X that we've now seen this time anyway. This is now the second helicopter we've now seen. It's the Bell 505 Jet Ranger X private helicopter we've just seen this time. So yeah, that was the second helicopter we've now seen. So yeah, okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.